Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know when I post, make sure you tap that notification bell. I will be reviewing Shiny Smile Veneers. What is Shiny Smile Veneers? Well, it's a snap-on veneer that you can wear over top of your original teeth. These are the latest 3D technology design of custom-made veneers. So there will be an impression made of your teeth, and there's a video that you can request. This will be a video call with the Shiny Smile Veneer Specialist. They will walk you through on how to make the impression correctly. Cost of the veneers and the impression kit is around $600 depending on if you want the top or the bottom or both. And it comes in 3 different shades: the bright white, pearl, and champagne, with the bright white being the brightest. Initially, I chose the pearl. And after watching loads of videos of people showing us how to do the impression kits and people having to send them back and have them redone, then I chose not to go with the company. I chose to go with the implants, where they'll be actually put in and I won't be able to take them out. Shiny Smile Veneers did have payment options, and you can also do the payment plans, which I chose the payment plan. You'll get a video request and you put the request in, and they will send you the impression kit, and then you'll use the putty and slime and put it in the tray, and they will actually walk you through it. So it's pretty easy. I think this company is a good, reputable company. And to be completely transparent, I've gotten a little bit of anxiety by watching all of the YouTube videos and also having previous dental work and crowns. Even though the photos that I submitted to Shiny Smile Veneers of my teeth were accepted and approved for fitting, I still chose to go with Hollywood non-removable teeth route. Customer service for Shiny Smile Veneers were exceptional, but make sure you read your contract because there is a refund policy. I was charged a $90 processing fee, and then the price of the impression kit was either $22 or $42. I didn't figure that out. Shiny Smile Veneers, they did say that my teeth were good enough to have the veneers done, but at the same time, like I said, it gave me a little bit of anxiety. Like I said, these trays, they are different. They have different sizes to fit everybody's mouth because everybody's mouth is kind of bigger or smaller. I apologize to y'all for not showing you my grill, but I am not comfortable. I will come back and do a review of my permanent veneers once they are popping and beautiful, and once they are implanted. And again, I do want to stress that this is an unsponsored video. I paid for my order. In my honest opinion, Shiny Smile Veneers is the perfect smile that you can wear. I am Fontana Monique. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.